guys, this is Anushka. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So this video is like really special because it is my birthday today. Like when you'll see the video, it will be my birthday. So thank you if you're wishing me, and if you want to wish me, you can wish in the comment section below, and also like this video and subscribe to my channel because this is the best gift you can give me. The second reason this video is special because this is the 28th video on my channel and it is the 28th of October today. And I know मैं बहुत स्टॉक करती हूँ अपने आप को, but मैं और किसी को मन नहीं करता मेरा स्टॉक करने का. So yeah, and also this time I thought that I'll not celebrate or I'll not party, so I decided that I'll shop for myself. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the shopping haul. So the first thing is from Nykaa. I am totally in love with this deo. This is the Nivea Whitening Floral Touch deodorant. I got 4 bottles. The 4th one is in my aloe vera because I'm using that right now. I love these bottles, and if you're thinking कि इतनी सारी क्यों एक साथ order करी, that is because एक तो delivery लगती Nykaa पे अगर मैं कम order करती. Next, अब these deos are not available offline, so I had to order it कि मेरे को डर था कि खत्म ना हो जाए because I do not like ऐसी फालतू में कोई भी डिओ परफ्यूम्स because I have this allergy जिससे मुझे बहुत छींकें आती रहती है गंदी डिओ गंदी परफ्यूम से. So this is the deodorant which I use and I am totally in love with this deo. So the next thing I got from Nykaa is this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick in the shade Amazonian, which I'm wearing right now. I have already told you about this lipstick in one of my previous videos. I'll attach the link in the description box below if you haven't seen that video. I love this lipstick. This is so good. The pigmentation is so good. The stay is so good. It is smudge proof. It is waterproof. The color is pretty. Everything's perfect about this lipstick. The next thing is this Maybelline's Gel Eyeliner. I am completely in love with this product. Like I swear by this product. This is amazing. Yeah, मेरा खत्म हो गया था पहले वाला, इसलिए I ordered a new one. The second last thing I ordered from Nykaa is this Biotique Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner. This is honestly magic in a bottle. You just have to put a little bit on your face, and honestly this tightens your pores and you'll feel so good the next morning, honestly. And this is not very expensive. It is just for rupees 175. You should try this. The last thing that I got from Nykaa are these shower gels. So I got this like बहुत सस्ते में because there was this discount going on Nykaa. And the first one is ginger and basil. I don't like the fragrance इतनी ज़्यादा, but it's fine. The next is this hibiscus and grapefruit, which I totally love. This is amazing. तो I am planning कि मैं इसको पहले जल्दी से ख़त्म कर दूँ, फिर मैं उसको आराम से यूज़ करूँगी. Yeah. Okay, so now that I'm done with the Nykaa purchases, I go on to the Banjara Market things. So I'm not going to show you everything that I got from Banjara Market. I will make another video for that, but I'll show you my favorite thing, which are these coffee mugs. Now I am not a coffee person, but I need big mugs for water because I drink water, like just water. So these colors, first, they are so pretty. Second, imagine ये कितने का है? Just take a wild guess. They are just for rupees 30 each. Oh my god, look at the color, look at the quality. Everything is so good in these mugs. बहुत सही. Okay, so the next shop that I shopped from is Miniso. That is a store in Rajouri Garden, and I'm sure Delhi में भी काफ़ी जगह पे उसके stores हैं. मतलब I'm sure क्या, I know बहुत सारी जगह पे हैं. So the first thing I got from Miniso is this transparent sling bag. This is pink in color, which is my favorite, and the quality is amazing. It is transparent, which is really in these days. I love the bag. It is a sling bag. The strap is बहुत ही weak, but it works for me because I'll obviously not put patthar in this bag. Yeah, and this one was for rupees 500, which is amazing for a sling bag like this. The next thing that I got from Miniso is this pink color pouch. Now this pouch is so handy. You can just throw it in your tote bag and you're good to go. This is so cute, and also I got this for the color, obviously. The last thing that I got from Miniso are these cotton pads. This is perfect to remove your makeup or to put your toner or to put some rose water or anything for that matter. This comes in 3 colors, pink, yellow and blue. I'll just show you the quality because the quality is amazing. So this is how it looks. This is so soft. I totally love this. There's a store called Becco's in Rajouri Garden. I got this water bottle from that store. This is like really cute. I have been wanting a water bottle for my bedside for a long time now. So I got this one. Like I wanted a really cute bottle, but I wasn't getting the boring bottles मिल रही थी हर जगह पे. So I got this bottle. This is so cute. I don't like the color because it is in blue color and I wanted it in pink color obviously. So the next thing is this eye mask, which is so cute and obviously it is in pink color. This is for an it's soft. This comes with this gel pad which you can just insert it. Piche se there's this opening and it is so relaxing because this gel technology is amazing. You just have to put it in the refrigerator for like half an hour. So it thanda ho jata hai and you can just put it on your eyes and it's so relaxing. You should buy this one. So the next thing that I'm going to show you is a hula hoop. I don't know if you can see this in the frame or not, but this is a hula hoop. मुझे लॉकडाउन में शौक चढ़ा था hula hooping करने का. So yeah, we are done with the accessories and stupid things. So stupid तो नहीं, मेरे लिए stupid नहीं, but हाँ, I'm very sure आप लोग को लग रहा होगा कि stupid चीजें खरीदती रहती है. But I love all this, okay? So let's get on to the clothes. There are still some clothes जो कि I haven't received it yet, but whenever I receive it, I'll make sure that I insert the clips in some other video. So do not forget to subscribe my channel, okay? So the first thing that I got is this super cute pink color H&M sweater. This is for rupees 799, which is a steal from H&M. This is a crop sweater which is a little oversized and I totally love the material. It's so soft, it's so good. Obviously I got this for the color. Abhi tak to you must have guessed my favorite color, right? So the next thing that I got is this dress from Myntra. This is a beige color dress, one shoulder dress. And this is like really cool. I love the color, but I do not like the material. I don't know, it's some shimmery sa material, but it works. I like the color and I also like the fit. Yeah, I do not remember the price, but I'll make sure that I'll link the dress in the description box below. The next thing that I got is this yellow dress from Myntra again. I took this dress for the color. It is so vibrant. I love the color. I didn't like the fit as such because this is so tight. This is in the size L. Mera size it's M. मैंने M मंगवाया, that was tight. Then I exchanged it and I got this L and it is still tight. I am thinking कि I'll reduce and then I'll wear it, but मुझे पता है वो होने नहीं वाला है. So I think I am going to return this dress. So the last thing of the haul is this super cute night suit. This has this Netflix print all over it and popcorns and wine and all that stuff. जो कि मेरा बर्थडे का प्लान है, तो I'll do that and I'll wear this night suit and I'll chill on my birthday. Yeah, this is so good. Like, I love the material. I got this from Rajouri Garden. So yeah, that is it for the haul and that is it for my birthday video, you guys. I am so excited because this is the 28th video. Oh my god, मैंने इतनी सारी videos बना ली हैं. I'll stop blabbering now and I'll end this video. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for everything and thank you if you wish me in the comment sections below. Do not forget to subscribe my channel please, and yeah, bye, take care.